To customize always on display on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, you need to go to the settings. In the settings, we need to find and go to wallpaper and personalization over here, and then tap on always on display. Of course, AOD needs to be enabled in order to customize it. Well, we can actually customize it even if it's off, but of course, if you want to see the changes later on, it is better to be enabled. So now over here, we can scroll down to, for instance, create your own theme. So you can use a custom image over here. You can choose the text color, you can choose the clock position, display battery and notifications over here. And you can also use one of the default options as well, like the signature with a text. So you can go over here. You can also change the text if you want to. So let's say we're gonna switch this one. Let's remove this whole text. There we go. We can change the color of the text as well. So we have multiple different options. We can align the text if we want to. We can adjust the text size as well. We have the boldness of the font. We have letter spacing. So as you can see, a bunch of different options. But once we are done, we can press apply. And there we go. We can find it in your themes, of course. In addition to that, we have analog clocks, kaleidoscope, digital clocks, as well as a background. So let's say I'm gonna actually choose this one. Let's switch the color text to green and let's apply. And let's see how it looks like. And there we go. This is how we can customize our always on display. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.